How to see the shipping method in Aliexpress. Now, if you want to see the shipping method of your product in Aliexpress, you just simply need to go to your browser and open the website of aliexpress.com, or you can directly open the mobile application if you use that. And once you open the website or the application, you just simply need to open the product for which you want to check the shipping methods. For example, let's open this earbuds right here, and after opening the product that you want to buy, you just simply need to go to that product details page, and if you scroll down a little bit, you are gonna see the section where it says shipping. It is free shipping in this case, or the shipping might cost you or charge you. That does not matter. In this case, you just simply need to tap into that in order to know the shipping methods. And as you can see here, the shipping method here is courier. You are always going to see the shipping method at the very last of this page. You just simply need to check for it. In this case, it is courier, and it is done by these 4 companies right here, and this is how you can very easily check the shipping method on Aliexpress. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.